Welcome to ATOZ ERP training. In this session, we will go through the detailed functionality of Add New Item page available in Inventory Management module. Let me tell you a little bit about this page. This is a very rich page, contain the major information, main details of the item, the attachments, images, the more information section where you can record the min stock, reorder level, item type, etc. So let's get started. I have already saved some data. Let's add the Google Pixel flip phone item name first of all. Secondly, let's save the item description, the major area. Secondly, the category, smartphones, and on the base of main category add the subcategory, it's Samsung phone, and so on so forth. Brand Samsung, and then the warehouse, any warehouse you can select. I am going to select POS payment device store. Now let's add an image which is going to be picked in the over here. This will be the main image which will show in your stock listing. So next, main stock. Main stock tells you when the system indicate you the quantity is going to be minimized or going to be finished up. So, and then the reorder level is 5, and it's a stock item, not the service item. You can also add track stock, allow negative stock, expirable. Like if it's a medicine, then there must be an expiry date for that medicine. And the next one is the item group. You can also select the item group as Samsung smartphone Galaxy. So next, add the article. Let's further add the article of this product. One product can have more than one article, for example, on the basis of color, size, unit of measure, or brand as well. So let's first of all add the mint color. No matter if the color is not available, you can click on add button and type mint, and then size. Size could be general, or you cannot put if is not required. Unit of measure is pieces. Brand is going to be Samsung. Then cost price. Let me see the cost price of this item. Let's for now we can say that the cost price is 210,000 PKR or rupees, and the sale price is 220,000 PKR. And next one is the stock quantity. We have available 20 phones, and the min stock quantity is 5, and the status is going to active. If you can see, the system is already pre-filling the SKU number or SKU number for that specific article or variant of that item. We can add more than one article or variant for a specific item. For example, I have another phone which is of blue color. Size is not required for that. Pieces, brand is same as Samsung, and the price is going to be same. Only the variance is the color. So 20, and I have also available quantity of that item is 25, and min stock again is 5. So next, you can also add HS code for that item, warranty, 1 year, and country and other detail from which you have purchased. This page is specifically designed to add the opening stock. We also avail our customer the bulk stock import features in our software as well. For now, I have filled up all the information, so let's save the details of this item. Save. You can also press F9 to save the item details. So we have added the item. So there is also another page which can be with where you can search any item. So let me copy the item title and search over here, and there you go. You can see the system has shows you the details of this item, that total variants are 2, total stock quantity is 45. It is the sum of both of your articles variants, and if you can see, you can also see the barcode over here. System has automatically generated the barcode. Now for future you want to print the stickers with the barcode, you can also click over here and you can tell the system the sticker width, height and number of stickers which you want to print, and so on so forth. System will automatically generate the printable barcode stickers for your items. So this is all about the item add and item search page. You can also update the item details. If you can see over here, there is also a button to edit the item details. For example, I want to add the article images as well, so click over image icon and it's the mint color. I have selected that, and then again I have selected the blue color article image and press save the details or click F9 to update the data. The item is successfully updated. If you go back again, you can also search the item over here by searching the SKU, item name or barcode. You can apply any kind of filters in the stock listing. So let's get back to the item view page and again paste the item title, and system is telling you again the item details, and there you go. You can see all the information which you have put in the form. So here you can see the stock summary of that specific item, total variant, total stock, sale price, total cost value and total sale value. So this is all about the item add, update or item view page. Hope you understand the idea. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.